pork ribs with dry bean curd. Tara, luto tayo. Fry ko na yung pork. In-steam ko na yan ng 40 minutes kaya malambot na. Gisa ko na yung onion at saka garlic. And then yung pork stock. Nag-add ako ng konting water, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Cooking wine, rock sugar. Takpan muna natin hanggang malusaw yung rock sugar at mag-well combined. And then, ilagay ko na yung dry bean curd. Nag-add ako ng konting water para maluto siya at mag-combine yung lasa niya doon sa dry bean curd. And then, konting salt. Takpan ulit hanggang maluto yung dry bean curd. Mabilis lang naman maluto yung dry bean curd. Cornstarch solution para juicy siya tingnan. And luto na. Ready to serve. Masarap. As in, masarap siya. Thank you for watching. Bye!